Most of us know someone who doesn't have the best sleeping patterns, and not surprisingly, many of us think of ourselves when this topic comes up because we're all too familiar with the fatigue, the brain fog, and that worn down feeling that comes with missing out on a good night's sleep. And this is especially during the holidays when you can really sleep in and stay up as late as possible. However, by committing to a consistent sleep schedule and also staying well adjusted, you can set the groundwork for keeping your energy up and keeping your body performing at its best. Because sleep plays a significant role in your overall health. Did you know that chronic sleep deficiency has been linked to many chronic conditions such as obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, and even chronic fatigue syndrome? But in fact, your sleep patterns contribute directly to your overall physical and mental energy levels and the overall function of your immune system as well. And this is because when you enter that sleeping state, your brain and your central nervous system are hard at work preparing you for the next day. So it just makes perfect sense then that a lack of sleep is often tied to those physical ailments mentioned previously. But in also saying that, as well as decreasing your immune system's ability to fight off common infections. But the good news is, guys, getting just 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night will allow your body to feel and function better, because getting enough sleep will help you feel more energized and experience less fatigue. So what I'd like you to do is make it a goal to set some time aside to unwind each night. So perhaps you can, indulge in a chapter of a book that you're reading, or just simply get comfy, close your eyes, and drift off to sleep to some meditation or calming music. In saying that though, if you are experiencing muscle tensions or spasms, or there's pain that's keeping you up at night, please let us know, because we are here to help you with that. And that way, if we take out that element, then we can really help boost your sleep even better.